do what we usually do when you come to a campground. We're gonna take you a walk around the campground. We got the host right there. '93. Put a nice rig in that one. Number 92. Look at that tent inside of a tent. Down the way from us, we got washer and dryer. This is very Florida wooden. It's funny, this guy over here at 89, he's got a this one here. Watch for crocodiles. Love it. Look at this right here. Watch for crocodiles. 85. Look at, here's the water right here. So alligators. That's how close they are, or it could be. So cool. That's pretty dope. Old Suburban. Well, creek or river behind me. It's all. Look at that. Watch for gators. 79 was open right there. Here's 78. Nice car camping. Nice little passenger bus with a tent. Nice. Number 77. It's a little chilly out today, so everybody's getting their fires rolling. Let's check this out, dude. Careful. Oh, yeah. Had to take Duke off. You just. There's 73, a nice camperman in there with the big AC on top. They're probably chilling, watching a movie. Come on, Duke. 72. Come on, Duke. Hear that owl up there. It's gonna be 40s tonight, which is nice. There's a nice little big pull through. Oh yeah. 99. 99 problems, but a 8-1. 99 problems, my dog is one. What happens when we walk around new smells? Come on, Duke. Come on. Mm-hmm. 71. Nice little pull through. So it seems like the middle ones are the bigger ones where you pull through, where you can have big units. Just a hint. So it's loop E, I think, 101. You pull through and you got this campsite right here. I like my spot better. There's 102 there, 103 there. 59. I'm glad I got the spot I got because we're right on the water. Well, a little creek. There is alligator. There's 101. So this is E loop because I remember 101 was open. Which is nice. There's 58. Nice little spot for a couple tents, a couple cars. Nice RV. This little car. a Mercedes. Love it. That's our bathroom probably right there. A lot of Canadian Ontarios are down here right now. I saw one guy, he was like, I escaped Canada to come down here into Florida to enjoy sunshine, and this is cold here. It's like, what? You come from Canada and this is cold? Look at me, I'm in shorts. Long sleeve, but shorts. Alright, so this is, that must be where we came in. Yeah, we came in, took a right, and our site's over there. Some more this way. Let's see what this is. Or you come in, dump station. Come on, Duke. Let's check out this trail. Yeah, it's kicking butt right now. Oh, they got lights that blow this up. The star of the hour, the star of the hour, my little Dukester, my little Dukester. When he takes his time, I kind of sometimes like to jump off the trail and and he just runs and chases me down. It's so funny. That's when you know your dog is love and loyal to you.
Are you staying in the shark?
No, I'm not. I'm just taking over and take a look at it.
They're so pretty inside.
Are they?
Yeah.
Let's take a look. Never seen one. Oh, it's all locked up. Whoa, this is one of yours you can rent. Oh, it's all locked up. I don't want to go in it, but it's kind of cool. Little yurtes. Oh, there's another one there too. Welcome, Paul. We're gonna check this out real quick. This is the bridge that came over to get in. So we're gonna take a look. Oh yeah, that's some Florida love there. To the right, there's the bathroom that we use, number 3, and this is one way to 1 through 385. Oh man, that is very secured. 2. Oh yeah, they're in there taking a nap. 4. Yeah, what is it? 8, I think it was open. Looks like a Y or something. The bathroom. That's number 7. Oh yeah, so this is 8. This was an open one too. It's nice. Their camper van. Ontario, so there's like 5 or 6 Ontarios I've already seen. Number 10, I assume they're coming back. Number 11, Another bathroom. 15, good size. Number 16. That would have been a nice one too. Besides it going on an angle. Let's check this out. But there's a alright, so look at this. They're like me. Which way did you go? Come on, dude. Oh, yeah. Part of the park. Man, there's so much to see out here. Oh, look at the green trails. Alright, so there's a lot of things that we can go check out tomorrow. So this is the park area. Was it the swimming beach? It's the swimming area. Alright, oh, that's a little pond. Oh, thank you. Alright, Dookie, come on. Coming this way?
Yeah.
Alright, you're welcome. Come on, bud, good boy. Good boy. Leave it. Leave it. Come on. Let's go. So 17, 18, 19, 20 is down that way. 21. So there's definitely this is a lot to see here. I think I'm going to come back here for a couple nights. And enjoy the beautiful campground that they got here in how many is called Venice? 24. Nice. Minnesota. 25. Good size. Very good size. 26. Good size. Come on. 27. Man. New York.
Come on.
How you doing?
Have a nice evening.
Come here.
They're just excited.
I hear you. No worries.
Come on.
You too.
Emma,
Hey,
get
leave
over
it.
here.
Leave it.
I
Stop.
don't like that.
Welcome campers to Oscar Scherer Campground. 98. It's the camp poster. Up camp poster. Alright guys, well we're just getting back. So we're gonna enjoy this beautiful time.